Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we are going to discuss how to create waterfall chart in Power BI. So for this, we will go in Power BI. To create any new chart in Power BI, you have to click on the white portion of the canvas. Click on it. Now, pick up the segment, which is a categorical variable, and drop it into the category. Pick up the sales and drop it into the y-axis. Your waterfall chart is ready. Activate the focus mode. Now the total sales gets divided into three zones, 1, 2, and 3. And as all of them are green, it means that the sales of corporate is more than the consumer indicated by green color. So the green color is for increase and red color is for decrease. Sales of home office is more than the corporate. Now I will pick up the category and I'll drop down into the breakdown. So our segment is consumer, corporate, and home office. So one of the segment becomes our benchmark. So here consumer is having the highest sale and therefore it becomes the benchmark. Here the sales of the corporate segment is less than the consumer segment as there is decrease in sales indicated by red color in office supplies, technology, and furniture. Home office segment has less sales in comparison to the corporate segment as there is decrease in sales indicated by red color in technology, office supplies, and furniture. Now, if you want to include some more information on this chart, you can pick up the quantity and drop it on the tooltips. So when you will hover a mouse on any of the bar, it will display the sum of quantity change also. So how much is a sales? How much is a change in sales? It is given in uh, rupees as well as the percentage. So how much is a drop? It is shown in the text box. Now we will format this visual. First of all, we will activate the x-axis. So you can change the font type of the x-axis, the size, see the changes which are happening. The color of the font can be changed. Title, if you want to include any title, just write it down here and it will be done. Let's say we want to give the title waterfall chart. So you can change the font type, you can change the size of the font as well as the color. At any moment of time you want to reset to the default settings, just press this and it is done. Activate the y-axis. Minimum and maximum range, it is auto, but if you want to change, just press this up arrow or down arrow and it is done. Invert the range. So you can see the change which has happened. Values. Now you can change the type of the font, the size of the font as well as the color of the font of y-axis. Display unit is in millions. It can be changed to thousands. How many decimals do you want? That also we can specify by increasing this values or decreasing this values. Title, do we require any title here? If yes, then write down here and the title will appear on the y-axis. Now let's activate the legend. So this is your legend. Increase, decrease, total. It at present the position is top left. We can switch it and we can take it to, so this many options are available. Let's say bottom left. Okay. We can change the color of this text. Let's pick up the, so see the change. Moreover, the font size can be increased or decreased. Do you want to give any title text? If yes, so let's say waterfall. So see the title is appearing waterfall. Increase, decrease. Now let's activate the grid lines. At present, the dotted green lines are there. We don't require any grid lines. So switch it off. Now you can change the color for increase, decrease, other, and total. So for decrease, if you want to change the color, you go here and just pick up any other color and the change is done. Spacing. By increasing this value, the white portion in your chart will increase. It's known as inner padding. Breakdown. So how many breakdowns do you want? Maximum 3. You can change it. Maximum 2. How many breakdowns you want? 1, 2, 3. Data labels on it. So now see the interpretation. 1161K is a sum of sales for the consumer and 706K is for the corporate. So where our sales is dropping. So this will give you the numbers. The negative number means that there is a drop in the sales. The position is horizontal. You can make it vertical. Values. The font size can be increased. The color can be changed. The display unit is in thousands. Background. The background of this can be changed. The background of the data labels can be changed. Let's pick up the plot area background, browse the data file, and we will pick up the image, open, and we'll increase the transparency. Now click on General, activate the properties, click on Back to Report. Now increasing this number, the height of the chart will increase or decrease. By changing this number, the weight of the chart will increase or decrease. Position. By changing this number, the chart will shift on right hand side. By changing this number, the chart will shift towards the bottom. Padding. If I increase this number, the inner graph will move towards the bottom. And by increasing this number, the white portion will increase from the bottom. This will increase the white space towards left side, and this will increase the white space towards right side. Make sure in advanced options this is on. Title. So it's written sum of sales and sum of quantity. You can change it and you can make it sales and quantity by segment. Background color can be selected from here. Horizontal alignment. Text wrapping is on. If you require a subtitle, then activate it. Click on and you can give the subtitle. Divider. Divider on it. So it's a black color line in between the title and the chart. So you can change its color also from here. The line width can be increased or decreased. Spacing. Space below the title. Space below the title area. You can change both of them. Effects. Do we require background? Yes. So we will select another color background. And transparency is increased. Visual border. Yes. Black color border we require. Corners should be rounded. Shadow. Yes. So the shadow has appeared. Positions. Different positions can be taken. Center. So let's keep it top left. That is better. In header icons, you can change the color of filters on visual, focus mode, and more options. So just see the color is changing and the icon color. At any moment of time, if you want to reset to the default settings, just press it and it is done. Icons, make sure all of them are on. Now activate the focus mode. So your waterfall chart is ready. Now if you want to collapse all these categories, click on these three dots. Collapse all categories. If you want to expand it, expand all categories. Again, click on these three dots. You can export the data in CSV format. Show as table. So the chart and the table has appeared. Now you can click here and you can switch to the vertical layout. Again, click here. Sort descending or sort ascending. Sort by. So now here everything will be according to the increase. All of them are green. Sort by segment, sum of quantity, or sort by segment. This is all about waterfall chart. So for more such videos on Power BI, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can also refer my playlist in which I have uploaded many videos on Power BI. Please don't forget to share and like this video. You can also follow me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Link is given in the description box.